Did you know that according to star investor Cathie Wood, this is your last chance to become a millionaire off Tesla stock? A lot of people see Tesla as a worthy investment. In fact, investors believe that investing in the leading EV company is a means to retire early. Make sure to stay tuned and keep watching to know more about this. Given today's economy, people would choose to make do with anything that will allow them to earn more. And for some, investing in Tesla is the right way to do that. Even most big investors recommend investing in Tesla stock since they believe in the company's potential to flourish more as the years go by. Today, you will find out why Cathie Wood said that this is your last chance to become a millionaire off Tesla stock. Cathie Wood once explained how stock market investors can earn handsome returns in the market by buying the right assets at the right time. Cathie Wood is an American investor, a star stock picker, and the founder, CEO, and CIO of ARK Invest, a company with $60 billion in assets that invests in innovations like self-driving cars and genomics. Cathie Wood is often called the most underrated investor in the game, since not only is she incredibly persuasive in her investment arguments, but she's also got the proven results to back up her surprisingly discerning claims. Wood is also known to provide monthly updates about several things, like monetary and economic policies, innovations, what can be expected in her field of expertise, and comments on the Fed's decisions. The Federal Reserve System, commonly known as the Fed, is the central bank of the U.S., which regulates the U.S. monetary and financial system. As mentioned, Wood is known for her outrageous moonshot price predictions in the financial industry, and she has come up with a strategy to convert $3,650 into $100,000 and ultimately $36,000 into $1 million. The only condition is that buyers should have the holding power to buy and hold Bitcoin for at least 4 years and a max of 8 years. An investment of $3,650 today will be worth $100,000 and $36,500 will be worth $1 million. Wood is confident that Bitcoin is consolidating at the current levels and providing the absolute best opportunity to accumulate at low rates before a massive bull run starts. Investors can buy dips by employing the dollar cost averaging strategy of buying in small chunks like $1 to $200. If her prediction about 1 million Bitcoin price comes true, just like her Tesla stock price prediction of 5,000, then a large number of average Americans will become millionaires in a very short time. Although some investors have started to lose faith in Tesla, others remain bullish, including Cathie Wood, and she even encourages investors to invest in Tesla stock along with her. In a video, Wood explained how investors have the chance to become a millionaire by holding Tesla shares until 2025. When asked about her reasons for setting a $3,000 price target for Tesla by 2025, she said that there are a few key variables, one of which is the market share of the EV market, which is in the low 20s worldwide as she claimed, and she believes Tesla will be able to achieve that. She added that currently in the US it is around 60% share. However, they have since updated the ARK's 2021 open-source Tesla model, where they outlined their expected value of $3,000 per share in 2025 due to material changes, including autonomous ride-hail assumptions and inputs, capital efficiency estimates, and the forecast has been pushed forward by 1 year to 2026. ARK Invest updated Tesla's valuation model with a $4,600 price target in the best-case scenario for Tesla stock in 2026 and up to more than $20,000 by 2030. ARK's updated open-source Tesla model yields an expected value per share of $4,600 in 2026. The bull and bear cases, tuned to the 75th and 25th percentile Monte Carlo outcomes respectively, are approximately $5,800 and $2,900 per share. In fact, in recent months, Cathie Wood saw Tesla as being worth nearly $5 trillion in 2026. The updated model by ARK Invest shows an updated assumptions for the total market for autonomous ride-hail at each price point and the probability that Tesla will solve for fully autonomous driving. Based on their analysis of consumers' perceived value of time, they expect more demand for autonomous ride-hails at higher price points than originally modeled. Do you think it is possible to become a millionaire off of Tesla stocks? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. What we're really interested in are the corner cases, says Cathie Wood. She said that Tesla's pilot test for full self-driving has just started and it includes the safest Tesla drivers there are. These drivers had to earn a 98 to 100 score. According to them, it is a dream when it works and it is terrifying when it does not work. These well-experienced and safe drivers are guiding Tesla and hit a button, and that firm or video goes back to Tesla so they can learn from their mistakes. Drivers hit the said button every time there is a miss, whatever that miss is, which is most often stopping because of uncertainty. Wood believes that Tesla will be able to perfect this over time, and that within a year, more people will have had an experience in an autonomous vehicle. According to Wood, the total cost of ownership of an electric vehicle is less expensive than that of a gas-powered vehicle. And soon, we think within 1 to 2 years, and maybe even sooner with subsidies, the actual sticker price of vehicles, electric and gas, we think electric vehicle prices will drop below gas-powered vehicle prices and continue to drop. Our latest thinking is that by the year 2026, the average electric vehicle will cost about $15,000. Wood explained that the reason they believe that there is going to be quite a bit of commoditization is that they believe that autonomous vehicles would be taking off by that time. She added that by then, autonomous vehicles will be run in autonomous taxi networks. So, fleets and design are less important as the main focus is to develop the ability of these cars to get people from point A to point B. During the dip in June, Cathie Wood was on a buying spree of Tesla stocks as prices continued to go down. ARK Invest shed almost 0.5% of its position in Tesla when the company shares climbed and sold 8,100 shares, with an estimated worth of around $5.76 million. Because of this, Tesla remains one of Wood's closely followed innovation-focused ETFs. Why does Cathie Wood believe that one can become a millionaire with Tesla stock? According to her, when you look at Tesla's revenue growth for the past 5 years, it is compounded at roughly 48% per year. She emphasized that it was even at a time when Tesla had been facing a lot of controversies. She further stated that their forecast, referring to herself and ARK Invest, for the next 10 years is in the 50 to 60% range. For its part, Tesla is doing its best to maintain the top spot in EV production, and it is quite evident that they are putting in much effort. During the pandemic, for one, when all other companies and manufacturers have been struggling with chip shortages and supply chain bottlenecks, Tesla pivoted between suppliers by rewriting its software just so the factories and plants won't stop running. In fact, Tesla has opened 2 new manufacturing facilities in Austin and Berlin. These new plants aim to increase production along with the Shanghai and Fremont factories. These developments can most possibly mean an increase in operating margins and scale to manufacture vehicles. The opening of Berlin and Austin allow them to achieve higher gross margins. More than that, Tesla's innovative projects lined up proves how much they are working hard for success. Projects like the much-awaited Tesla Cybertruck and the humanoid robot Optimus, among others, prove why Tesla deserves to be at the top spot of the game. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas likened the current landscape for EVs to a race, and Tesla has been winning so far. He compared the EV industry to a marathon and said that Tesla leads at mile 21, while other companies are still at mile 2, while others are still tying their shoes, figuratively speaking. He supported this claim by explaining that recent records of car deliveries are proof that Tesla's position remains strong and is becoming stronger as the marathon progresses. It is common knowledge for people familiar with the industry that market forces change stock prices every day. Share prices change because of supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price increases. That said, Tesla stocks fluctuate too. Wall Street believes that the stock is worth around 100 times Tesla's per-share earnings, which are about 10x more valuable than that of the stocks of traditional automakers. Again, stock markets are hard to predict and may rise or go down pretty fast. That said, it may just be the right time to buy Tesla stock before it soars even more in the next few months. For more Tesla stock content, visit our channel and watch our other videos.